Hi everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to make a very authentic sweet and tangy dates and tamarind chutney. This chutney is must have condiments and enhances the flavor of any appetizer, snack, street food and chaat dish. This sweet dates and tangy tamarind chutney is made with jaggery and with the touch of spices. For example, dry ginger powder is the key ingredient for this chutney. You can prepare this dates and tamarind chutney in advance and store for up to 1 week in the fridge and use as and when needed. So let's see the ingredients. For making sweet and tangy dates and tamarind chutney, we require 12 to 15 pieces of peated dates, 3 tablespoons of tamarind, half cup of jaggery. We will pressure cook the peated dates, tamarind and jaggery with 1 cup of water for 3 whistles. And for dry masala, we require half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of big cardamom seed powder. So now we'll pressure cook the peated dates, tamarind and jaggery. Pressure cook the peated dates, tamarind and jaggery with 1 cup of water for 3 whistles. If you see any tamarind seeds in your boiled pulp, make sure before grinding you can take it out. By adding the boiled dates, tamarind and jaggery pulp into the mixture jar, grind to a smooth paste with the use of little water. By filtering the smooth paste through the strainer, we will get a smooth puree for this chutney. We'll use little water. Nice thick consistency. Now we'll add all the dry masala. By adding all the dry masala, we will boil this smooth puree. Salt, black salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, fennel seed powder, dry ginger powder, black pepper powder, and big cardamom seed powder. We will boil little till we get thick consistency of this sweet and tangy dates and tamarind chutney. Looks like it's ready. After cool down this chutney, you can store for up to 1 week in the fridge and use as and when needed. This is our very authentic sweet and tangy dates and tamarind chutney. Enjoy!